The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only
Morning,
mode.
fellas. Very good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, July 11. Morning, Deepak, Jacques, Albert. Yes, you are on time today. Anthony, Dennis, guys, good morning. Very good morning to each and every one of you. Hubert, good morning. Did you see your Kansas City Chiefs super fan was just arrested? Did you see that? John, good morning and welcome. Raul, good morning. Guys, good morning. Today promises to be a slow one. Just my 2 cents, as tomorrow is CPI. Hourlies, the NASDAQ looks like we can bid 250, 255. Morning, Stuart. ES looks like we can get 60, 58. We'll see. In any event, guys, if you're here on trial for day 2 of your trials, good morning and welcome. Welcome back. Yesterday was a very good trade, somewhat typical of what we do in the room. I'll go back over everything. We do have a few people that are starting today, so what I will do is what I do every single day. I'll start with the morning, Ray. Start with the disclaimer, and then we'll go over some things again. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, so let's, for the benefit of those that are starting today, and ideally they're in the room, let's go over the trend bot again. Good morning, Mohammed. Let's go over the trend bot again. The trend bot is predicated or based on 9 single pairs or individual pairs of moving average crossovers. As each pair of the averages cross, it will generate 1 contract. Okay, so we'll add 1 contract. For lack of a better verbiage, out of the box, if you will, it is set for 9 contracts, minis. I suspect, well, it would be 9 micros if you were trading micros. Those contract amounts can be added to or subtracted from. You do not have to trade 9 contracts. I got a couple of emails yesterday asking if it was specific to the 9 and do I have to trade 9? The answer is no. Should anyone in the room, any of the trials, decide that they want to own the bot, then of course it's all explained in some of the videos that I have done. But you can not only reduce the amount of contracts by simply zeroing out moving average pairs, you can increase those amounts if you're trading, say a $300,000 account. Okay. TrendBot is meant to capture large moves with maximum contract exposure. What does that mean? Well, if the NASDAQ moves 20 points and you have one contract on, you make $400. If the NASDAQ moves 20 points with 9 contracts on, you have $3,600. So what we're doing is we're maximizing the moves with maximum contract exposure, okay? Additional features to the bot. It has a daily trade goal and a daily trade loss feature. It also has a per trade goal and a per trade loss feature. One does not offset the other. So you can have your daily goal, whatever that may be, $1,000, $3,000, doesn't matter, whatever it is, and your daily draw, $1,500 for the sake of conversation. You also have a per trade goal if you wish to use that setting and a per trade loss. So on any given trade, let's say your goal is $400 and your maximum loss is $200. They operate independent of each other. Something that is unique to this robot is a high watermark with a designated percentage of pullback that will close the trade. All right, so I personally use $400. So once that $400 number is engaged or reached, it engages the high watermark, and I am using a 25% pullback. So let's say at $400, it starts to pull back, closes the trade at $300. I'm allowing for a 25% pullback. The reason that's important is specific to at least Apex, if you're trading an Apex evaluation or PA account, trailing draw, right? It does give you the ability to set stops and targets. Those are arbitrary numbers. Those would be your own personal numbers, 20 tick target, 40 tick target, 37 tick target, whatever the case may be, as well as a stop. You also have the ability to close trades manually. You can choose longs only, shorts only, or all trades, which means longs and shorts. As I've said before, and I'll reiterate, there is no fully robotic trading system available to the average retail trader, which we all are, that has the potential to generate the types of returns that this bot does. There is none. I'm familiar with many, many, many of them. The vast majority of them don't make money. Let's talk about this week's goals. Yesterday, I told you 3 evaluation accounts funded. How many did we do yesterday? We did 3. I don't know what that is, but we don't need it. We did 3 yesterday. We've already hit our weekly goal. PA accounts average of $400 a day. That was my average yesterday, 360. So just shy. I could have done more, but close enough. For those that may not feel that $360 on a PA account is much, if you have a PA account and you average $360 a day, let's call it $350 for the sake of conversation, 5 days a week is $1,750. 4 weeks in a month, it's $7,000 a month. For the first 3 months, you can only take $4,000 of that anyways. $2,000 twice a month. Payouts on the 15th and the 30th. Okay, well, that's not bad, $4,000 a month. But what if you have 10 accounts? That's $40,000 a month. What if you have 20 accounts? That's $80,000 a month. So many of you guys, as many of us, I should say, as traders, feel that we should make $1,000 a day or $2,000 a day or $3,000 a day. Well, maybe you can. You cannot do it on 2 contracts. But if you trade conservatively across multiple accounts, it adds up. So yesterday we did 3 funded accounts. We passed 3 evaluations yesterday alone. We're already at the weekly goal. It's gravy from here. Tomorrow we have CPI. Thursday we have PPI. Those should be at least 2 more, 1 each day, if not more. Here's the NASDAQ. You'll notice that the NASDAQ is on an Apex account. And here is another NASDAQ. You will notice that it is on a PA account. I'm trading identical charts. One on a PA account and one on an evaluation account. Also yesterday, you may have noticed, I offered an option trade. I bought SPX calls. So in this room, we actually trade. Unlike literally 99% of the trade rooms, I say trade parenthetically, 99% of them do not trade. I closed out that option trade for about 26%. It's typically what I look for, 20 to 30%, where I start closing out contract amounts. We also traded in this room yesterday. I'm trading an Apex account, same as you, or same as many of you. 99.7, thank you, Hava. So I'm trading along with you guys. So there is a lot going on in this room. If anyone, it was a little confused after the first day, or maybe you guys were a little bit lost, it's understandable. There is a lot going on in this room. Bots, order flow trades, option trades. Let's quickly take a look at order flow before. All right, volume, slightly off. Day before CPI, July. Typically when we come in, the NASDAQ will have traded about 68,000 contracts through 8 a.m. We're at 64,000, so, slightly lower. Overnight inventory is long, not much, 600 contracts. So bias is long at the moment. We are setting up for a reversal. We could get a push higher, but we are setting up for a reversal. Yes, volume slightly lower, not much. Also setting up for a reversal. It looks to me like ES is going to pull back in here, and we probably trade back to VWAP at 444.48. 57 contract block seller, 79 contract block seller, and a 61 contract block buyer up here. There are also some sellers here, 89 contracts, 59 contracts. Small stuff, it's pre-market. Gold should be around 54,000. That is our average on gold at 8 a.m. Gold is trading volume-wise much higher. 73,000 contracts have traded in gold. We have net buyers overnight of 2,600. We do have an unfinished auction here to trade to at 43.3. Crude volume's about average, 1,200 net buyers. Bonds, dead flat. Do have 2 unfinished auctions below. So if we get any bump up in interest rates, bonds will come down, probably get these. There's actually 3 auctions. 2410, 2403, and 2326. I don't see anything above. And natural gas, we really are not. We just are not trading much. Very decent volume. 15,000 contracts have traded overnight in natural gas. 1,300 net buyers. it does look like we could pull back to VWAP. We're set up for shorts. I do like NASDAQ to come down. It is slow, but I do like it to reverse. We're off. We're setting up for the long. Another seller. Buyers came in at 96. We're trying to go long. Unless we break back below that 96, we're going to get a long. Unless we break below this bottom here, we're going to go long. Resistance is going to be 16 to 20. Let them shake out. 18 was yesterday's high. I don't see any size buyers. Small stuff on top. I still like longs, guys. Not yet, though. Waiting for the next bar. I still like longs. I see the sellers. Into the low or into the 95. And we're bouncing already, head of the 95. We're holding yesterday's close and bouncing off yesterday's close. Next 15 seconds is going to be, I'm watching for the long. All right, guys, get ready for a long. All right, I have a long with a first target at 11, but hang on. I've got to get above 03. It's an 03 long with an 11 first target. I'm pending 03. Unless it breaks down below 83. It's trying to hold this area. Sellers are pressing. All right, guys, I'm going to turn. My entry hasn't changed. ES basically flat, crude gold, nothing. Got a gap up in SPYs. I want to see gap fill back down to 39.55 on SPYs. And I'll look for the long or calls. That negative delta is decreasing in the candle. So we have buyers in the candle, small net sellers. On the 3-minute bar, I've got 148, 150 net buyers. Here it comes. If we get up through 03, that's our entry. Almost. Long, target 1 is 11. Come on, let's go, dog. Failing a bit. Come on, push through VWAP and go. Wreck these shorts. Come on, push them. Push. Oh, come on, so close. A little bit of resistance at 07. Got buyers. Come on, got to clear VWAP. Here we go. One more tick. Oh, you scumbag. Missed me. Target filled. Free trade. Target filled. Here we go. Money, money, money. Bottom of the 2-minute cloud. Got a push. Free trade now here, fellas. Stop should be at break even. Come on, push. If we get up through 27, target becomes 49. That would be my final target, 49. 49. Come on, get through that swing here at 27 and we go 4-9. Come on, baby. I have the bots on, no trades in either bot. There's 27. Come on. 49 is target, fellas. Got a $400 runner. First target is off. Come on, push that cloud. Push that 2-minute. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, off. Got a bot trade on both a PA account and on a Combine account. That's 2 on the PA account. Push here. Push here. Got it on a same trade, guys, on a, I need to see, there we go. Come on. 49. Let's go. Come on. We're running out of gas here with buyers. We need to push above 32, and we get 39 above 39. We go ski. Come on. Next 2-minute bar right now. No, it's not what I want to see. I need this current bar to close above 29. This current bar has to close above 29. All right, I'm going to take the trade off. $640 trade. I'm net flat. I am net flat. Next 2-minute bar might do it. You guys good? All right, here comes the squeeze. There we go. 33 is going to be a bit of a problem. We get above this 33 on a breakout, this thing goes like a bat out of hell, fellas. Come on. Come on, big guy. God, it's so damn close. All right, new 2-minute bar closed above, a new bar closed above the 2-minute cloud. Small resistance at 32. Pop of 32 takes us. We're pushing 240-minute resistance. The only reason I haven't killed the trade is it's, the opening 5 minutes, 10 minutes here. Come on, big guy. Another $3,500 day. Nice job, Frank. All right, guys. What I'm trying to do is get big resistance at 37. If we break 37, this sucker goes big, goes hard. SPY's pushing up. I'm not watching cues. Come on, get out of this thing. Let me look at a 10-minute guy. We're on the cusp. Hourlies. I think this pushes up to 48. We now have 5 on a PA account. It closed. I don't know why it closed it hit my draw. It's still on this eval with 5. Same trade. It'll hit the draw in a second. There it is. It hit the draw. Come on, I need this 10-minute. 10 minutes got to break up. If this gets through 40, this thing is off. Positive delta melting slightly with some sellers. Come on. 10-minute is got to get above 36, 35. Pull back into some support here. Back below VWAP. All right, guys, 10-minute could roll. I don't think we're coming lower than that 87 yesterday's close, but we just went small negative delta again. Q's pulling back. Come on. We're short. NASDAQ below that swing. Initial support 80, 81. I want to be long 60 area. Sit tight. All right, we're hitting the low of the day. Target is going to be 60, 61 on the downside. So I'm watching for the long on the reversal. And close that damn trade. All right, on the daily, we're into support here. We're into support. 21-day moving average, we're sitting on it. 700 contract negative delta, nothing. I'm going to try the long here, guys. Hang on. I'm looking for the long right here. I tried a long. Come on, pop, you rat bastard. Need to get above 61. Come on, suck it up. Come on, give me the trade. Come on, give me the trade. Got consolidation, buyers, 600 bucks. I'm going to kill two. Come on, pop. Give me 68. Give me, kill two. Did I close the whole? Ah, shit. Close the whole trade. Damn it. All right, nonetheless. Anybody take that long? This is your trade. This is our bottom, I think. Anybody take that trade? All right, guys, nice job. We can go back to 15. I don't think we're coming down much further. Not on this hourly bar, guys. All right. Shit. Did not want to be out of that trade, guys. Next target up, 189. 189. 189. 187, yesterday's close. Stop would be break even. SPY looks good, guys. SPY looks good. Gap fill. We're going up. Kashkari is speaking. Wasn't on my list. What is this, an impromptu thing? Here was my support. There's my chart. That was my level to buy, 59. Now we've got to get above here, 78.80. Yeah, tomorrow. Okay. I didn't think so. Got gap fill and bounced right at the gap. Q's, nothing. SPY is the trade. They're buying YM. Okay. Another run at the bottom. I don't think this goes far, guys. In order to really break down, it's going to have to blow the 21-day moving average with a whole lot more sellers than 500. Let them sell. They'll trap Europe on the bottom. I'm cool with that. Guys, 2 trades. I'm at 1375. You guys should all be green. Just patience now. Let it shake out. I still think we're headed up. I don't have us in shorts. I just don't have an entry yet. Building the bull flag on a 2-minute. Small buyers. Here we go. Give me a size. Give me something. Give me something. I have no blocks, no size. Yes. Some blocks here, some blocks there. Gold. Nothing. Let NASDAQ fart around. Bond yields rising. ZB got 2 out of the 3 unfinished auctions. I'm not selling bottoms, so we're holding the 21-day moving average. You can try the long at 74, but this is our hurdle. Set 80. Still think we're going to get 80. We're going to get 88, 89, 90 area is a target on the upside. Just sit tight. Tuesday in July. It's just consolidation around the 21-day moving average. ES is going to push now to 53. NASDAQ, the laggard. All right. If we get up through this 68 quarter, it'll give us a trade. 71 still. The problems now are 72-ish and 80. Just be patient, guys. There's no reason to be in a trade. I'm not shorting at the bottom. Even if it blows out, I'm not shorting this. I don't short the whole. So if I don't get a reversal for 20 more minutes, I don't, or at all. I'm still green. If it's on the bot, I don't have the gold bot set up. I don't have screen space. I don't, regardless, Stuart, I don't have screen space. I got 6 screens and they're all occupied. A lot of consolidation down here, guys. Net negative delta is really nothing. No bot trades. We're just sideways. Crude is bid. Let me see where crude is. Crude's on the cusp of breaking out above its 100-day moving average, and this could find buyers here. Let me see what that little swing high is. If you guys want to try a crude long, 74, 15, 16. Crude has a target at 74.82 above that 15, 16. Higher low, 4 sellers on the bottom. Do. Nothing going on here, guys. Absolutely nothing. Trying. Can try this long here at 68 quarter, so call it 69. This is all consolidation down here, but not going anywhere. Let me just hang on, guys. Let me just draw a trend line here. Oh, yeah. They're pulling shorts. They're just drawing shorts. Let them do it. We could head down to 15,098. A break here at 27 probably takes us to 13, but I don't sell bottoms. Maybe 39 you could try a short, but here comes that 113. I'm pending 4-0 long on gold, and my target is already placed. So if it triggers, all right, guys. The momentum to the downside is definitely waned. And I really chooched out on this son of a bitch down here. I should have been long. Be that as it may, I don't have it yet, guys. Probably goes 150 from here. Resistance is 38, but I think we get 150. We're going to flip long above 48, and I'll have a 71 target. It should find buyers through that swing. Resistance going to be some at 41. Buying them up. Found buyers through that swing. A little bit of resistance here at 41. All right, new bar. We're long. We're long. Got a little bit of a trend line here, but we're long. All right, guys. Pull back and give me an entry. Come on, pull back. Give me a little pullback. Come on, give me 39.40. Pull back 3 points. That's it. 4 points. Come on. Don't make me buy you on the up move. All right, guys. We're going to hit some resistance at 48.50, right? There's it's a trend line on a 2-minute. It's nothing. We're down to 1600. I want to get the pullback, though. I don't want to buy the up move. I want the pullback. Don't you do it. If it pops this trend line, we're going to 71. All right, I'm going to be long. We could pull back in here. I'm long. We could pull back in here. All right, we haven't eclipsed that 2-minute. It's a 2-minute trend line. First target maybe 58. So let's call it 56. Target one at 56. Come on, homeboy, give us some money. Some small sellers in here got bought. That negative delta dropping. Give me 58. Come on, 56. Give me 10 handles. There we go. Half a grand. Trade them as you see fit, fellas. And then I'll take one off. Target hit. Got you again, you little rat bastard. I'll take one off at 68 and try to hold the rest for and hold one for duration. Got to push through this pivot here, and we are off. Got to get through 56 or so. Here we go. Another half a grand on the runners. Come on. This could be it, baby. Come on. This could be the reversal. There's 500 bucks. Let's go. Come on, pop this stupid little resistance. Give me that 78, 68. Give me 68. Down to 1,000 net sellers. They bought back about 1,200 contracts, guys. Shorts are fucked. Here's our target right up here. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. 64, 63.50. We're down below 900 net sellers. Guys, if we get above 80, that 80, man, this is going to be rip central. Rip central. We're pushing this here. Oh, you dirty, 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 filthy animal. Missed by 9 ticks. Got a 121 buyer. Double topped at 66. You guys might want to take your risk off. I'm going to buy one. Come on. I know you're going to 68. Back testing the trend line. Just back testing that break area. Okay, here's the next push. 68 targets back on. Here we go. We back tested the break. One more 30 range candle, and this is going to pop right into our target. Here we go. Come on, lower high. Lower high. Come on, buyers. Buyers coming back in. Sellers, they're pressing them at 62, 63. I still think we get it. We're pushing value area low on the profile is what's holding us up. When's the next candle? 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Okay, new 5-minute bar. Come on. $48.50 is going to be support. Small net buyers, small net sellers on the 3-minute bar. Small net buyers on the 5-minute bar. All right, buying them up on the 3-minute. Sellers again. Buyers and sellers hanging out right around 58-ish. Come on, here come the buyers. Come on, 68. $700. Come on. Oh, you stinking no good rat bastard. Freaking $25 shy. No, you did not. Come on. We're down below 800, going below 700 sellers. Buyers trying again. Come on, buyers. Buyers got them. You guys got them here. Hit that. We're going to find all kinds of buyers above 68 1/4. Come on, one more push. Come on, baby. Sweet ginger brown. Free trade, baby. Now the last one's free. All right, who held? I'm trying to walk you guys through the trade so you understand what I'm seeing and why I'm doing what I'm doing. Anybody hold that trade? Okay, fellas. Nice job. I know you did, Marcia. There we go, guys. Listen, we're down to 400 and change. Now it's just free all day. We get a 2-minute close. Next target up, guys, is going to be yesterday's close at 185, takes us flat. And then we start working to yesterday's high at 218. Now they got the shorts completely screwed. Job, Peter. $3,880 for the day. I'm holding one, guys. I got a $500 runner here. I'm holding one. So this is, let me tell you where I'm at. This either is going to break out for me or not. This is trade number 3 in the book. 3 winners, all big winners. Nobody can accuse us of over trading, doing anything foolish. If gold triggered, I didn't even hear it. Yes, it did. Gold triggered. My target's in place. 42.4. Thank you for that, Carl. I didn't even hear it. Guys, we get through VWAP. Remember, 80 is our problem, right? This is our problem. 80. We get through that 80. Man, this thing is, they're gonna just bash these shorts harder than hell. Broke down out of the bear flag. Held my area of support, which I didn't have the cojones to buy. And if we get above this 80, they are going to absolutely roast these bastards. I mean, I told you they're gonna kill the shorts. It's not a shorts day. They're not going to sell this off ahead of CPI. Down 200 contracts. They bought back 1,900 cars, guys. Uh-oh. We're pushing resistance for the 3rd time. If we can clear this, target now becomes 218. 218. Got a $700 runner. Down below, back to 150. 12 consecutive minutes of net, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sorry, 21 consecutive minutes of net buying. What are we sitting at? Are we at $1,000 yet? Oh, you haven't taken any targets then. We clear VWAP on a candle close, and I'm telling you, it's this 80 area. Next up is going to be 88, which was yesterday's close. Okay, there you go. Couple $2,000-$3,000 Dale gear. What ails you, fellas? You're welcome, Marcia. If you guys are on trial, and you purchase the bot, 3 months in this trade room comes with the bot. And if you find another trade room that does what we do, send me their name, because I should be with them. Now we're trying to hold this 80. We tagged 88, 89, which was yesterday's close. So we're back to even on the day. All that's left now is the blowing up. Now we're back to a green delta right at VWAP. I really would like to get this to 218. This could pull back, guys, to 66. Got a doji on the 2-minute. All right, I took profits. I'm flat. We have a doji on the previous bar. Now we've got to work through the cloud, which I think it will. You guys good? So tight. Should have bought those calls. Told you we were on support. Look, thank you, James. Held support on the Qs. Held support on the SPYs. Welcome, Jock. All right, guys, if we break up here, if I can get a 15-minute bar close above yesterday's close, so we've got to get a 15-minute bar above 88 quarter, or I've got to get this small. Let me look at a 10-minute. Hang on, guys. Yeah, 10-minute is just now going long. If this hourly, we got 25 minutes left for the hourly. If the hourly closes above this 88, we're zipping to 215. Let's get 07. This 88 is proven to be a little bit of a bear here. It's the 2-minute cloud. Got to clear this. Worst case, we've got to hold VWAP at 82. Come on, push to 220. Let's go. We just failed at this damn cloud. Kicking them right in the fargan ice. You fargan ice holes. 3120. That's another past evaluation, guys, with order flow. 3120 on the day. You fargan ice holes. Everybody good? You're welcome, James. Is there anybody not making money? No losing. Gold is pissing me off. That's going to kill me. You son of a bitch. I'm down 140. I'm $20 short now. Thank you, gold. Thank you, gold. 2 minutes left to the next 15, 2.5 minutes to the next 15-minute bar. Is there anybody not making money? Gold's the only losing trade I had. Crude broke out above that 17. Okay, Arjun, nice job. Small sellers creeping in here, but insignificant. $82 VWAP should hold. Two minutes to the close of the 15-minute bar. Guys, we should hold 87, and I think we're going to 218. They've got shorts trapped. They've got longs trapped from the opening 10 minutes. They've now got shorts trapped. So they're happy campers. Everybody's stuck, unless you're us. Close of the 15-minute bar in 1 minute and 15 seconds. Oh, yeah, we got that idiot at 11 o'clock. It's not going to change anything. This is going to pop. All right, guys. I just scalped the last trade, 3,200. That's my net number, 3,200. I'm done. We're going to 20, guys. We're now going to 14,000 net buyers. 14 target. Come on. We don't have any real resistance till we get to 11. Come on, break 4. Push 4. A little bit of resistance here at 5/4. You stinking dog. Come on. Go. There we go. Let me check position. Daily breakout. Damn it. We're shorts. NASDAQ short. Nice job, Dennis. At least one guy remembered. I miss more of my own trades than I can tell you. It's 5 to 11 with Williams coming up. And if we break down below 75, we could come all the way back to 35. I do not think Williams is going to say anything that's going to help. Damn, crude was a monster. Holding this support at 88. If we break down below 88, we could start down to 75. It's basically holding yesterday's close. If we break below that, this was resistance on the way up. It is now support on the way down. And if this breaks, We're 50 contracts from a negative delta. And just kind of chopping around here, guys, ahead of Williams. We're floating. We're just holding yesterday's close ahead of Williams. Boy, I'd like to see this thing bust VWAP. Break down below 83, it's going to get murdered. Below 83, it gets murdered. Look at this 5-minute range. Two minutes to Williams. Your short is 82. 82. Come on down. Do something. Just get out of this freaking chop. At top of the hour and nothing going on. Just die. Come on, die. Die. It's holding this damn stupid little tiny infinitesimal support. Got to break below this little 2-minute trend line at 90. Below 90, it starts to come down. Come on, break the freak down. Give us that short back to 70. Doesn't look like it, fellas. Wants to bid into fucking Williams. What do you mean an electrical spike, Randy? At your house? Come on, down through 97, then 92, and then 82, and start your damn free fall. Because this will get killed. 97, minor support. Got 16 sellers here, and now none.